Hi there, today we are going to discuss about sorted function. Sorted function is the built-in function of Python. It returns a new sorted list from the items in a table. Here a syntax of sorted function is given. It takes one required positional argument, that is an iterable. It takes two optional argument that must be specified as keyword argument. Here this forward symbol indicates that arguments comes before this forward slash must be specified as positional argument, and this asterisk indicates here arguments come after the asterisk symbol must be specified as keyword argument. Key specifies a function of one argument that is used to extract a comparison key from each element in a table. Its default value is none. If no value is provided, then it will sort the list by default. Reverse is Boolean, which takes two value, either of two. It takes true or false. If we provide the value true, it will return the sorted list in descending order. So let us understand this concept by the example. So let's create a list of a string and then sort it. Okay, this is the list of string, and I am going to sort this and store this result in this variable sorted words. Call the function sorted, provide an iterable which is here words, and print the result. Sorted words. It sorts the list of a string by the lexicographical graphic order. That is first apple, then date, then fig, then orange. But it is case sensitive, which means capital A is not equal to a small a. Let's see it by the demo. Let's copy it, paste it here, and provide the value of apple by the capitalized word, provide the value of fig by the capitalized word, date capitalized word, in capitalized word, and orange is in capitalized word. Let's now sort it. Run the program and you can see clearly this apples comes here. This is capitalized word. It comes first in the sorting list, and this apple comes in later. It has happened because it sort the list by the case sensitive. To make this sorting in case insensitive, we have to provide a function that returns a comparison key or strings in lowercase. But why does it happen? It happens because this capitalized word, this capital letter A, comes in ASCII table at the place of 65. Its ASCII value is 65. And the small letters A value is 97 in ASCII table. Therefore, it keep the capitalized word first and then keep the lowercase word later. To make this case insensitive, we have to provide a lambda function as a value of key here. It takes each element and provide the lower case of each string, which is used in comparison as a comparison key, and then it will sort the list as a case insensitive order. Let's run the program. Now we can clearly see both apples comes together here. Apple and apple, date, fig. Oh, it has spelling mistake here. We have to correct it. To create a comma, run it again. And date, fig, orange. Okay. Now suppose we have a list of dictionaries, and we want to sort the list item, list of dictionary by the second or by the key, score key value. So let's create a list of dictionary first. Students, list of dictionaries. The student has a name J and score which is 92. And then another student which has name Vijay and his score is 95. And another student, one more student which has name Ajay and his score is 97. And if we do want to sort this list by the score value, so we can provide this score value by the lambda function. Create a variable where we will store the result. Sorted students, and here I call the function sorted, provide any table which is student here, and a lambda function for the keyword, lambda function which takes an element and provide the value of score key, and then sort the list. Now print the result. Sorted students. It will print the list. Sorted list here. We can see clearly here. It is first taken 92, and because the new sorted list, new list of dictionary comes in ascending order, so scores value is 92, then 95, then 97. Likewise, we can sort this list of dictionary by the key name. And if we want the result of students in reverse order, we can provide the value for reverse key, which is true. Then it will sort the list, then it will provide a list of dictionaries and sort this dictionary item by the score keyword in descending order. Then it shows it comes, 97 comes first, then 95, then 92. So this is few examples of dictionary. I hope you like it. Thank you.